The A6-10 is a small and flexible multi-role drone with reconnaissance tracking, throw-in, thermal imaging and other functions. The fuselage is a 6-axis folding design, flexible and compact portable storage. It can be equipped with C12 high-definition thermal imaging dual-view camera. Intelligent target recognition accurately locks the target, easily complete reconnaissance and tracking tasks. It can carry 3-axis PTZ double light pod. The resolution can reach 2560x1440 visible light, 380 for 288 infrared thermal imaging. A load of 1 kg can fly for 60 minutes, and a load of 5 kg can fly for 40 minutes. The fuselage can be mounted with projectiles, loudspeakers, searchlights, retarders, and window firebomb launchers. Truly realized multifunctional integration, multifunctional ground station APP, better UI interface, larger map view, automatic execution and follow, greatly improve the efficiency of professional tasks. This is the multi-purpose drone A6-10.